something spreadable, you know.
It's got to be spreadable.
Look after the farms, I think, as well.
Very good message.
Yeah.
Very well said. Thank you, Ross. Over to you, Deb.
It's got to be butter, doesn't it? Thank you, Georgie. Now, figuring out which bank, energy retailer, insurance company or supermarket to spend your hard-earned cash with can be at times confusing. But comparison site Mozo has crowned Australia's favourites this morning, making your decisions just that little bit easier. And Mozo director Kirsty Lamont joins us now. Kirsty, good morning to you.
Good morning, Deb.
So the winners of each category, how are you actually deciding them here?
Well, 4,000 Australians rated their household and banking providers on overall satisfaction and other areas like value for money, customer service and trust.
OK, so let's kick it off with the best bank. What was nominated there?
So Bendigo Bank voted the nation's favourite bank with very high levels of ratings for its trust and for its customer service. And, you know, it seems Bendigo Bank is really aiming to be the better big bank and delivering on that promise and really providing an alternative for Australians who are fed up with the bad behaviour of the big four banks.
Yeah, it's good to have another option there. And what about for car insurance providers? Because it's a really crowded space. It's hard to nail down, really.
QBE in the driver's seat for car insurance. So customers rated QBE very highly for its competitive premiums, its value for money and its high levels of customer service, particularly when it comes to making a claim, which, you know, we all know can be very stressful and difficult with some insurers. So it's good to see an insurer stepping up and trying to make that process easier.
Yeah, to simplify it as much as they can. And for home insurance, I guess that falls into similar likes and dislikes for consumers.
So Youi came out on top for home insurance. Youi really prides itself on being an insurer who listens to what its customers need, and it seems that approach is really paying off, with customers rating Youi very highly for its tailored approach and its ability to deliver excellent value for money.
Now, we know that power prices are having a huge impost on many family budgets. What did you find when it comes to the best electricity provider?
Yeah, so PowerShop came out on top for electricity. Customers are loving PowerShop's commitment to green energy and also its focus on helping people to save money on their electricity bills. And customers also gave PowerShop a big thumbs up for having the clearest energy bills and for the PowerShop app, which lets you track your energy usage and spend so that you can avoid that dreaded bill shock.
Now, supermarkets, there's not as many choices within Australia on that front, but what did consumers choose as the very best there?
So Aldi voted favourite supermarket. You know, Aldi has consistently high levels of customer satisfaction, and this year is no exception. Unsurprisingly, customers gave Aldi high ratings for value for money. But this year, the challenger also picked up ratings that are very high for freshness and for store environment.
Wow, which is interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Woolworths is the other big winner in the battle for the nation's favourite supermarket, taking out People's Choice online grocery service. So customers rate Woolworths online experiences being very high for its product range, for its online shopping experience, for its delivery and for click and collect.
So that is the best food delivery service there, Woolworths. And in terms of availability of all of these providers, can you get them in every capital city as well as regional areas, or is it limited to a lot of states and territories?
Most of these providers are Australia-wide, so, you know, really the message is that if you're unhappy with any of your current providers, you know, get onto Mozo, have a look at the People's Choice winners, see who customers are saying are delivering the best value and the best service, and make that switch.
And is there a common theme that comes through with all of the winners from a consumer point of view? Is there something that really stands out for people when it comes to the very best?
Those brands who are really trying to put customers first and saying we are listening to what our customers want and we are trying to deliver them better value for money. Those are the providers that customers are rating as being the best.
OK, listening to their consumers and putting them number one, it makes a lot of sense. Good on you, Kirsty. Thank you so much. Georgie.
Still to come this morning, we have $60,000 up for grabs.